I'm Kate Dickerson, the founder and director of the Maine Science Festival. I was inspired to create the Maine Science Festival because I knew that we have national and world-leading scientists in Maine, and I was surprised that wasn't common knowledge. I wanted to create a way for Mainers of all ages to learn about the science that takes place at places like MDI Biological Lab, GE, Bigelow Laboratory, Pratt & Whitney, the Jackson Laboratory, IDEX, the University of Maine, Foundation Brewery, the Climate Change Institute, Versant Power, and many, many other places. Not just the organizations, though, also people who are doing the work of science in Maine. Our first Maine Science Festival was in March of 2015 in Bangor, and the celebration of Maine science, with festival goers learning from the people who do it, was amazing. Since 2015, at our March Festival and at MSF pop-up events throughout the state, we have explored and celebrated Maine science with more than 50,000 people from all over Maine and beyond. For the last few years, I have wanted to have a deeper exploration of the people behind the science, because their full stories are inspiring and they show the vast diversity of people who work in science in Maine. We have not been able to hold live events since this past March due to COVID-19, and this seems like the best time to dive into that project. The Maine Science Podcast starts September 3rd. We'll have conversations with some of the leading scientists, researchers, engineers, and innovators working in Maine. Find out what made them get interested in science and hear about their research in depth. The Maine Science Podcast is proudly presented by the Maine Science Festival. I can't wait to have you join me.